んばんは。パパキャットです。アートマインズの台所出身です。It's late. I'm tired. But I need to eat something. So, making myself my favorite thing. Quick, it's easy. Just a pot of green tea, fish cake noodles. Ingredients are real simple. You want a nice fat scoop of miso paste. I like koshi smooth miso paste. Fat slices of some steamed fish cake, a little sweet cooking wine, some soy sauce, and some dried seaweed, and 2 eggs to be poached a little bit later. I forgot also, put in a little bit of sesame oil, but more or less 1 to 1 to 1 in a shot glass. Seaweed and miso paste into the water as it boils. Pour that in. Give it a good stir. You want to help the miso paste dissolve pretty thoroughly. It looks weird, but it's delicious. Once it's back up to a boil, dunk in your fish cakes. Those fish cakes are frozen, so the water may stop boiling. Once it's back up to a boil, you'll see them start to float up. Then add your noodles. You can use soba noodles, udon if you like. I just happen to like Japanese green tea noodles, and yeah, they're bright green. Have your big bowl and your basket scoop ready, because these noodles really only take about 5 minutes or so to cook. Not very long at all.
Better job.
When the noodles are done to your liking, turn off the heat, grab out the fish cake, one side of the bowl. I use the basket ladle. You want to save water.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job.
Save the water for poaching. Turn the heat back on. With the heat back on and the soup up to a simmer, take your eggs that you've cracked into a little measuring cup like this. Carefully dip them in. Let them take on a little bit of the water. Hold it there as long as you can stand it, and then gently dump them in. You can turn the heat back up. Sometimes I'll take a little bit of water, dump it over on the noodles, keep them wet. Timer, 2 minutes. You could do a little more, you could do a little less. That's how I was taught to make them.
But if this brings you just a little closer.
Heat off.
To those
Gently
men who are going into the hottest spots,
reach in to grab your slightly wobbly egg.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job.
Ideally, the yolk is still running in the middle. Now,
Better job.
and there you go. Use a clean spoon so you don't contaminate it, but I like a nice fat dollop of gochujang hot pepper paste. It's Korean, it's not Japanese, but it adds a little bit of sweetness and some spice. So, there you go. Green tea, fish cake noodles in about 15-20 minutes. Itadakimasu. Oh yeah, that's the stuff.